Assalamu alaikum and Eid Mubarak to you and your loved ones. Eid al-Fitr is a time of joy. It's a time of reflection and it's a time for community. I'd like to take this opportunity to extend my warmest Eid greetings to everyone. This occasion marks not just the culmination of Ramadan, a month of fasting, of reflection and renewal, but it also reminds us all of the shared values and collective actions needed to ensure a just and sustainable future for everyone. As we gather with family and friends, let us also remember our shared responsibility towards our earth, our only home. The lessons of the holy month of Ramadan and of Eid al-Fitr, emphasizing compassion, charity and community, mirror the global cooperation and solidarity required to address the global challenges we face today, including climate change and biodiversity loss. Let this Eid be a reminder of our interconnectedness with nature and with each other. Eid Mubarak, and may your celebrations be filled with joy and gratitude.